Here is a quick demonstration and review of this GEORG Jensen leaf tray. I am somewhat obsessed with Scandinavian design, and GEORG Jensen is my favorite for kitchenware. The leaf tray is a classic and can be used in so many different ways. I've seen people use it for dessert bowls. I've seen it for, like here, for fruit. Some use it to store keys or jewelry. The size is so perfect for so many smaller things to be stored. It is made of high shine stainless steel. Like most GEORG Jensen products, it's really high quality and timeless design. It is quite heavy and stands sturdy on the table. I put all my GEORG Jensen stainless steel in the dishwashing machine, and I have no issues at all. They stay really shiny and they are easy to polish. If you're looking for a little tray or bowl that is high quality and elegant and timeless design, you can buy this with confidence. GEORG Jensen is never a bad idea.